Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Hills Access Campground in Riverside, Iowa. Hills Access Campground in Riverside, Iowa is about the most basic and easy campground you could ever come across. It's about as simple as it gets. They don't take reservations, you just show up, pick a spot, and pay as you go. At the time of this recording, it was about 15 bucks a night. Now I want to tell you exactly what you get for that. You get a nice large site, a playground, a river, and electricity. I managed to get a site only a few feet from the English River. Now, Riverside's only a town of 1,000 people, but it actually has a full-blown casino, and that's what I was here for. So it was easy in, easy out, simplicity at its finest. Now, I completely forgot to fill the freshwater tank before I came here, so I bought a gallon of water for coffee, and for everything else, I just used the well water. Now, this is an old-fashioned well. You actually have to pump it. What can I say? The campground is very basic. You have a little playground and a river. But you know what? The price is right, especially if you're visiting the casino. It's just a few minutes away. There's only a handful of sites in this campground and they're very nicely spaced. I would definitely stay here again, especially if I were visiting the casino in Riverside.